guys, ito na nga, oh, magdi-dessert na kami. Ayan, oh. Daming cake. What do you want, Sherry? Oh my God, orange cake. Oh, carrot cake, chocolate cake. Oh my God. I'm not eating that one. Oh, meron pa silang mga jelly dyan sa taas. Oh, merong blueberry. Oh my God, sad. Dami na ilang. Ano po? Ito ang chocolate cake. This is your favorite?
No.
Oh, macaron. Ayan, gusto niya daw yan. Oh my God. I'm not eating cake. White cake. No, I'm not eating. Lola is not eating that. Oy. It's not going to open. Ay, thank you so much. Ayan, meron pa siyang ganyan. Ay, hindi na ako kumakain ng ganyan ngayon. Ayun o, yummy. My God, yummy. Oh. Ha? Ayan, dami yogurt, oh. Ay, ito, kukuha ako isa lang. Yan lang. Tapos ito, gusto ko yan. Oh my God, super dami. Ayan. Cokes na lang ang kakainin ko. Ay, ito. Siguro isa. Kasi masarap yan. Oh, prutas. Ayan, dami. Tara. Oh, may figa. Red figs. Blueberry, this one, Chili. Okay.